Hi everyone, welcome back to Explorer Alicia. So today we will explore Dhanushkodi. After visiting the Rameshwaram temple, we now headed towards Dhanushkodi. The distance from Rameshwaram temple to Dhanushkodi is 17 kilometers. Dhanushkodi, often referred to as the Land's End of India, is a fascinating and unique destination. Dhanushkodi is believed to be the place where Lord Ram's army built a bridge Ram Setu to Sri Lanka to rescue Sita from the demon king Ravan, as per the Hindu epic Ramayana. The name Dhanushkodi translates to end of the bow, which is related to the legend of Lord Ram breaking a bow in Rameshwaram. And trust me guys, the drive from Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi is scenic with views of greenish blue color waters and sandy shores. One more interesting fact about Dhanushkodi is that it is believed that Lord Rama's footprints are imprinted on a stone. Dhanushkodi is known for its less crowded beaches, offering views of both the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. This is the point where the Bay of Bengal meets the Indian Ocean, creating a unique and picturesque sangam. Viewing Dhanushkodi from an aerial perspective can provide a unique angle where the geographical features align in a way that resembles a shivling. You can see in my video. It's incredible how natural formations can resemble significant cultural and religious symbols, adding an extra layer of fascinate and meaning to such places. Ram Setu holds immense cultural and religious significance for Hindus. Devotees and tourists often visit the area, and it continues to be a symbol of faith and devotion. Beyond its mythological roots, Ram Setu has also inspired various works of art, literature, and films, reflecting its lasting influence on Indian culture and history. Dhanushkodi is a place with a rich history and natural beauty, making it a unique and fascinating destination. I have put lots of efforts to collect the data from various sources, and I have given the source link in the description. Videos are made up of lots of efforts. I am personally visiting the temples and collecting information about the temples from locals and also referring the internet for true information. I request to subscribe and comment on my videos so that my efforts will reach to lots of people.